Right then, day 25 of this Advent calendar, Christmas Day. And for those of you watching in the future and don't know what I'm talking about, this series of videos was originally released as an Advent calendar and it's day 25, Christmas Day, and let's go down into the spooky basement underneath Watford Shopping Centre. Right then, along we go to the first lift, which used to be some really nice Schindler MCs which have been modernised by stupid generic. They used to be intelligent levelling, they're now just ordinary levelling, which is a downgrade, and these lifts used to have glass doors and the lifts now just have ordinary doors. What a stupid modernisation. But hey, we've got to go on these lifts first to get up to the top floor to get into the spooky Schindler. Let's go!
Doors closing. Second floor. Doors.
Right then, up at the top floor, and it's quite a good view here. Long way down, and along we go to epic, spooky Schindler. This is the best lift in this entire shopping centre. It's a really awesome, fast Schindler M-Series computer control with DC pulsive modulation and intelligent levelling. And this lift goes from the back of the car box down into the service passages. Let's ride it. Down to the service passages I go, and these service passages are incredibly creepy. And along we go to service lift. Let's ride it. So then, what's down in the basement? And it is the lorry level. And over there are the lorries. And yeah, there's quite a few people about unloading something. I don't want to be caught down here. So back into the lift I go. then, let's carry on urban exploring these service passages and along I go to epic, spooky staircase. Just look at that. This is a service passage. You expect like a little tiny tucked away staircase, but no, just look how big this staircase is. This is so creepy. And going up goes up to the car park, but what about going down? Let's find out where it goes. And here I'm down at lower mount, and there's a spooky door which says private. Let's go through it to see where it goes. And staircase going downwards. It's the stairs down to the spooky basement. Let's go urban exploring. So, down to the turn of the stairs I go, and keep going down to epic, spooky basement. Let's go and explore it. And it goes on for a very long way, and it's incredibly creepy. So creepy. Just look at this area, and this bit looks very spooky indeed. Wow, this is one spooky basement. There's not even a level of it. Often you have to go up and down a couple of stairs to get to the various bits. So creepy. Right then, along this spooky basement I go, but sadly I didn't find any more service lifts, which is very disappointing. There's loads of these doors going into various shops, but it seems that all these shops have their stock rooms down in the spooky basement, so they can now get stuff straight from lorries straight into the stock room. And these shops all must have their own lifts from the stock rooms going up into the shops themselves, which means there's no need for any actual service lifts in the service passage itself, which is very disappointing. I wanted to go and ride some more service lifts. Oh well. Anyway, I was walking around this basement for a very long way, and it goes on for miles. This basement is like an epic, spooky, long basement. So then, that pretty much completes my advent calendar. Wow, it's been one epic advent calendar. So let's take a look back at where I managed to get into. I've got into the basements at Westfields, Stratford, which went on for a very long way. And I roofed Westfields White City, as well as finding some service lifts in Tunbridge Wells, plus loads and loads and loads of unauthorised key usage, plus some naughty lift rides in Guildford, and the epic orders in Croydon, and a motorroom in Croydon, and another naughty lift ride in Crawley. And here I am right down in the basement underneath Watford Shopping Centre. And that pretty much concludes this advent calendar. And just one last thing. Let's go surf the Schindler!